Hello, hope everyone is doing well this evening. I am Wendy Lee and I am joining you this evening in my studio to talk to you a little bit about the Blue Ridge Winter Stampin' Escape that Dana Sullivan and I are coming together on. So, I don't know if you've seen the information about the escape, but we're going to do this as a virtual event this time, which means we're going to manage it through a Facebook Live. So we'll go live and we'll have some games and, of course, the tutorials for the 12 fabulous projects for the kit that you choose. There'll be video tutorials as well. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to have a really good time. So tonight, the main purpose of me getting out here with you guys is I want to show you a sneak peek of one of the projects. So, are you ready? I'm very excited about it. So this is from the Honeybee kit, and it is a slider gift card holder. So I see I've got a couple people watching. I forgot to set up the computer so I could see comments. Terrible at that anyway, so I don't know if it matters. But I will go back and look at the comments in case anybody has any questions. Hey, Amelia, yay, it popped up. Okay, so I can see a little bit of comments. But anyway, we'll answer any questions that you've got, Dana or I will. And so tonight I'm going to show you a sneak peek. And then next Wednesday, same time, Dana is going to show a sneak peek from the other kit, from the Tulip kit. So, are you ready? Yay! Here it is. This is a slider gift card holder. So super cute, right? But wait, when you pull this, it comes out, and I'll go ahead and pull that out. So then you've got a little card, and that's where your gift card holder that's where your gift card goes. So you could put money in there instead if you'd prefer. And I'm just going to slide this back in, if I can get that back in there. And push that back in so you can see it, the finished product again. So isn't that super cute? So this is one of 12 projects that will be included in your kit when you order it. So you don't want to miss these. They're just awesome. Every project is great. So hopefully you'll join us for this virtual event and have some fun with us. So we're really looking forward to it, and I hope you are as well. So registration is due by January 27th, so don't miss out. Go ahead and register now. Thanks so much. Have a great evening. Again, if you've got any questions on the event, just leave a comment and Dana and I will answer those. Thanks so much. Have a great evening. Bye.